So now the mouse is scrolling good sometimes. See, now it's not clicking properly. Oh, there it is. It's working. You can hear something inside. Now it's working, scrolling. Now it's not. See, the clicking's back now. Clicking's gone. Oh, it's back. So you can see how this can be really annoying. There, clicking's gone. Oh. So it's like sometimes clicks, sometimes doesn't. Clicking gone, not clicking. And when I'm doing that, nothing. It doesn't respond on the computer. Like, it's not responding. It's not sensing a click. But then sometimes. See, now it's not working at all. You can hear the difference. So that's a click. Oh, clicking's gone. So it's actually more often than not, the clicking is not working. So, not working. And it's a physical thing, like I can feel the click is not clicking in. Now that clicked once. That clicked once. Now it's not clicking at all. I just want you to hear. See, that's the sound of a click. Oh, now the clicking is. So it like clicks twice and then it just stops. You know the sound of the click, yeah? It's just, see how this can be very frustrating. It's a physical thing, like that is not a click. That's a click. That's a click. That is not click. Anyway.